exciting news from Toyota. They're diving into the world of electric vehicles, EVs, with a big splash, announcing a whopping $1.3 billion investment into their Kentucky factory for what they call future electrification efforts. What does that mean? Well, it means they're getting ready to roll out a brand new three-row electric SUV just for the US market. Pretty cool, right? Now, this might come as a surprise to some folks because Toyota hasn't always been the biggest fan of EVs. But hey, times change, right? They're putting their money where their mouth is by setting up an EV assembly line in Kentucky and getting their battery packs ready in North Carolina. And get this, they're planning to invest a whopping $17 billion in their U.S. operations to make this shift to EVs happen. That's some serious dedication. But let's not forget the elephant in the room. Environmentalists haven't always seen eye to eye with Toyota on this stuff. They've had their fair share of disagreements over the years, especially when it comes to Toyota's stance on emissions and EV policies. But hey, maybe this move towards electric SUVs is a step in the right direction. Remember the Prius? That game-changing hybrid that took the world by storm? Well, Toyota's hoping to recapture some of that magic with their new electric SUV. Sure, they've been a bit slow to jump on the EV bandwagon compared to some of their competitors. But hey, better late than never, right? And let's not forget the recent buzz about EV demand in the US. It's been all over the place. But Toyota's sticking to their guns, staying true to their strategy of focusing on hybrids, while everyone else goes gaga over pure electric cars. According to Toyota's chairman, Akio Toyoda, people are finally seeing reality. Looks like they're confident in their approach. So what's this new electric SUV going to look like? Well, if the concept they showed off at the Japan Mobility Show is anything to go by, it's going to be a real head-turner. Picture this, a sleek, angular design with plenty of room for the whole family. Sounds pretty sweet, doesn't it? Looks like Toyota's ready to take on the EV market one SUV at a time.